Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent Support. In this video, we're going to discuss the analytics feature of AEvent. You can download or access the analytics report either per webinar or per timeline. Please note that the report only becomes available and accurate after the event has passed. To start, please log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. To view or download the analytics report per webinar, from here, click on the Past Webinars tab. Over here to the right, you'll see the Analytics icon. Click on it. This will redirect you to the event details. This is the webinar ID. You can see the webinar details from here, namely the webinar's date, time, the schedule type, if one-time or recurring, the timeline's name, the hosting platform, the application type, if meeting or webinar, and the number of registrants. You'll also see here the corresponding number of phone submissions, attendees, non-attendees, and average attendance time of attendees. Average interest rating and average attentiveness are values provided by GoToWebinar, but not Zoom. Questions asked will show the total number of questions sent by attendees via webinar chat. Under User Agent View, you'll see a graphic report for the number of registrants per action, and also a graph of the number of attendees in session. Registrants Overview show the different custom audiences and their corresponding count. Registration Browser show the number of registrants per browser used to register to the webinar. Registration OS show the number of registrants per operating system used to register to the webinar. Stream View Browser show the number of attendees per browser used to stream the webinar. Stream View OS show the number of attendees per operating system used to stream the webinar. Registration Country show the number of registrants per country. Over here on the upper right-hand side, you'll see the button to download the attendance report. Once clicked, a copy of the attendance report will be downloaded to your local computer. This is how the attendance report will look like. It will be an Excel file showing the UUID or registrant ID, the registrant's first name and last name, the email used to register, their phone number, the registrant's IP address, their registration date, if they attended or not, their total attendance time, if attended, the audience type they were categorized under, and their questions sent through chat, if any. Let's go back to the dashboard. To view or download the analytics report per timeline and date range, click on the Analytics tab. Select the timeline you want to view or download the report for. Indicate the date range. Select the start date and end date. Once these values are set, the buttons below will become clickable. Click Calculate to view the event details below. You'll see the corresponding number of registrants, phone submissions, attendees, non-attendees, the average attendance time of attendees, and the attendance rate. This also shows a graphic representation of these details. The Download Chat button will download a local copy of the chat questions sent by attendees. The Downloads button lets you download a local copy of the attendance report either by custom fields, summary, or CSV. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.